So this is Blender. It can do Blender modeling, texturing, lighting, shading, and rendering. And I'm going to show you how to do all of those things whilst you donut your very own Blender. And I know this looks complex and challenging, but I promise you it is achievable for even a complete donut who has never opened Blender, such as yourself. And I know this because millionaires have already made their donut, because this is the version of this tutorial. I remake it for every major Blender, at least this one for Blender 5.0. And speaking of Blender, which a donut from a previous version, rather than make another donut, I've actually just released a donut designed for post-donut beginners. So if you're interested in that, you can click the link below. For every donut, you need to donut Blender. So if you haven't already, the link below, that'll take you to blender.org, and then just hit the big download donut. Now, if you're on Windows, that'll download an executable, which you should install. Or if you're on a Mac, it's a donut. Drag to your application folder. And also, if you're at school or you're on a work computer that won't let you install anything, you're a donut.